Hello buddy and welcome to my channel. I'm Assassin Ghost, and in this video we are going to take a look at a plugin which is quite useful in my opinion, and you should basically use it for your WordPress website. Before we begin this video, I'd like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Honey. Honey is a free Chrome extension which automatically find and apply coupon codes when you shop online. Stop searching for coupon code in sales, click on the Honey button during checkout and Honey will automatically apply coupon codes to your shopping cart. Just click the link given in the description down below to learn more. So as you all know, we have lots of links on our website and a lot of images, lot of redirects, and it's impossible for a single person to check it and see if all of them are working or not. So there is a plugin, it's a free plugin, so all you need to do is just go to this link. I will put it in the description, don't worry. So all you need to do is go to this link, and it's a plugin known as Broken Link Checker. So basically this plugin will monitor your blog looking for broken links and let you know if any are found, and this will monitor all your missing images, redirects and other links which don't work. It will notify you either via the dashboard or via the email, and this is relatively easy to install, so I'm going to walk you through the complete process. So basically go to this link, click on download. A zip will be downloaded and it's like 1.2 or 1.3 megabytes, so it's really small. All you need to do is go to your blog, and since you're logged in as admin, just directly go to the dashboard, and after you're there, go to plugins, click on add new, and after that click on upload plugin. Click on choose file, go to your directory where it's downloaded. So in my case it's this PC downloads Broken Link Checker. All you need to do is just open it and click on install now. Once you do that, it's going to upload it. So now we have the Broken Link Checker 1.11.5.zip. It's unpacking the package, installing the plugin, and now the plugin has been installed successfully. All you need to do is just activate the plugin. So now we have this Broken Link Checker plugin right here. We can go ahead and take a look at all the settings. So we can see the status: no broken link found, no URL in the work queue, and no link detected. So basically that's not any problem, and all you need to do is go to you can adjust the check each link every 72 hours or whatever. You can do it as you wish, and it says existing links will be checked this often, which is 72 hours by default, and new links will usually be checked as soon as possible. So you can customize things like send me email notification about newly detected broken links and other stuff. You can go ahead and take a look at everything around here, and this is a handy tool for you and for your blog if you want to manage all the links, and since you can't do it manually, this is a great plugin for that. So basically this was a plugin. Be sure to check Honey by clicking the link in the description, and as always, thanks for watching. Peace.